Hey everyone, welcome back. If HBO Max shows a cannot connect error, it usually means that there is a problem with your internet connection or the app itself. So let's try to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection by opening another app or website. If the internet is slow, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or if you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find HBO Max and then swipe it away from your screen, then reopen it. After that, if you're using a VPN, disable it because HBO Max often blocks VPN connection. Now, go ahead and head over to your app store, search for HBO Max and check for app updates in the app store because HBO Max often blocks VPN connections. Now, after these steps, the cannot connect error should be gone and HBO Max should work normally. So, make sure you follow all of these steps to fix the error, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.